In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lenovo Tab Pen Plus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Lenovo has multiple models of pens or styluses, and one of them is the Lenovo Tab Pen Plus. This pen will not take AAA batteries, so unlike the base model, this one will be charged over USB-C. So to start, plug it in using a USB-C cable if needed. Once it is sufficiently charged via its USB-C port, then you can begin the pairing process. You can go over to the settings of your tablet, go into pen and keyboard, and as you can see here, it will give you the instructions. So like I mentioned, charge to activate, and after this is done, you press and hold the button on the stylus itself. Once you press this button, this light at the back will begin flashing, indicating that it is searching for devices to pair with. So press and hold this button down for a few seconds, and you should see this pop up automatically, Lenovo Tab Pen Plus. If you are not seeing this, make sure that there's no interference from other devices and double check to see if it was properly charged using the USB-C charging port. Either way, once you press that button and you see the pop-up, all that you have to do is choose Connect. Once you select Connect, the battery levels will be displayed here. You will have access to all of the categories, all of the settings, and you can use this pen directly on your tablet. If you have a different model like the one that I mentioned before, you will have to insert a AAA battery instead of charging it using a cable. So you unscrew the cap at the back, insert the AAA battery here in this compartment, and then you just follow these same standard methods. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.